In this video, we will examine the 6 best travel cameras and essential considerations for purchasing. Kindly refer to the description for additional information and the most current pricing. Best overall. Olympus OM-5. The OM system. Olympus OM-5, our best overall pick, is a black micro Four Thirds system camera that stands out for its robust and versatile features. It's designed for outdoor enthusiasts and photography professionals, offering a weather-sealed design for durability and performance in the toughest conditions. The 50MP Handheld High Res Shot mode lets you capture stunning high-resolution images with incredible detail and clarity, even without a tripod. The advanced 5-axis image stabilization systems ensures sharp, blur-free photos and smooth video, even in low light or handheld shooting. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. And its weather-sealed construction protects against dust, moisture, and freezing temperatures. With a U.S. manufacturer's warranty, you can trust the quality and reliability of your OM SYSTEM Olympus OM-5 camera. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-paced action, or delicate macro shots, this camera delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Experience the freedom and flexibility of the OM SYSTEM Olympus OM-5 and take your photography to new heights with its cutting-edge features and rugged design. Best design. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC is a stylish camera. While its design is very retro, you'll find all the latest tech inside it. It's a great blend of old and new, heightened by the fact that the camera's build feels high quality and solid in the hand. Despite its lightweight design, this mirrorless camera packs a punch, consistently producing excellent results in different shooting conditions. It's user-friendly, making it a joy to take photos with, especially for beginners. It's a shame that there's no weatherproofing and the choice of lenses is limited. The autofocus is excellent, meaning you can quickly shoot moving objects, and importantly, it is easy to set up and use. Mere seconds separate when you turn the camera on and take your first shot. We like the touchscreen's responsiveness, and we're surprised at how quiet the focusing and shutter sound were. It's perfect for taking candid photos discreetly. The ISO performance was much better than expected for an entry-level model. The Nikon ZFC perfectly balances functionality, accessibility, and a charming retro appearance. Best action. GoPro Hero. 12. Black. The GoPro Hero 12. Black is the best action camera you can buy. While it's largely unchanged from its predecessor, it cost $100 less than the Hero 11 did at the launch, something we were happy to see given such a moderate specs boost. Video performance has been boosted over the Hero 11 despite having the same resolution sensors. The Hero 12 shoot 5.3K 60p versus the Hero 11's 5K 30p for higher resolutions, smoother footages. There's now also support for Bluetooth headphones, so you can use your wireless earbuds to record clean audios without the need for a separate microphone. The Hero 11's water resistance, design, screens, and dimensions remain the same. Horizon and image stabilization are also unchanged. But these were rather fantastic in the Hero 11 anyway, so that's no bad thing. Unfortunately, premium editing features are again locked behind a paid subscriptions. Best Tough. OM System. Tough TG7. The Olympus TG6 are my go-to waterproof compact cameras, and now it's back as the OM System TG7. I'm glad to see it's pretty much unchanged, because that's exactly what we loved about it. It's still my top pick for rugged waterproof cameras. One of my favorite features is the built-in microscope settings, which allows me to capture stunning close-up shot. Plus, The field sensor systems is a neat addition, recording GPS coordinates and ambient temperatures along with my photos. With 4K videos at 30 FPS and the option for full HD videos at 120 FPS for super slow motions, the TG7 is quite versatile. The generous 25-100mm optical zooms lens lets me get up close to the action. We appreciate the improved chunky hand grips, which gives me a secure hold on the cameras. And the internal zoom mechanism mean the lens is always protected from knock and bump. Overall, the TG7 is straightforward yet sophisticated, making it hands down the best waterproof cameras we've come across. Best hybrid vlogger: Fujifilm X-S20. Fujifilm's X-S20 is also worth considering. Like the A6700, it's built around a 26 MP BSI CMOS sensor and is strong in both stills and video. Its autofocus isn't as simple and powerful as Sony's, but its JPEG color modes produce really attractive results. There's a wide choice of lenses, including compact prime and the well-priced, supremely useful 1855mm f2.8 4.0 OIS, which is a great travel option. The camera has an approachable layout with 2 customizable dials set into a giant hand grip. The camera is well built and feels robust thanks to its partial metal construction. The EVF is a little small though. Overall image quality is excellent. JPEGs have pleasing colors, and film simulation modes make it simple to change the style of your photos. Some cameras captures more detail at low sensitivities, but the X-S20 is more competitive at high ISOs. The camera's sensors gives you plenty of latitude when processing raw image. The X-S20's video specs are impressive, with 10-bit 4K captures at up to 60p. Videographers will appreciate its F-Log captures, while the Eternacolor profiles is attractive if you want a simpler workflow. An optional fan extends record times, but autofocus could be more dependable. Best for moving subjects: Sony Alpha 6700. The Sony Alpha 6700, an APS-C interchangeable lens camera designed for photographers and videographers seeking exceptional quality and versatility. Equipped with a powerful 26 MP sensor, this camera captures stunning image with remarkable detail and clarity. The Alpha 6700 excels in video production, offering 4K recording capabilities for breathtakingly sharp and vibrant footage. Its advanced AI-based subject recognition technology ensures accurate focus and exposure, making it easier to capture perfect shots of moving subjects, whether you're photographing wildlife, sports, or everyday moments. For professional videographers and content creators, the Alpha 6700 supports log shooting and LUT handling, allowing for greater flexibility in post-production. These features enable you to achieve cinematic color grading and fine-tune your footage to match your creative vision. Vloggers will appreciate the Alpha 6700's user-friendly functions, such as the vari-angle touchscreen, high-quality microphone input, and lightweight design. These features make it simple to create engaging content on the go, ensuring you never miss a moment worth sharing. Experience the superior performance and innovative features of the Sony Alpha 6700, a camera designed to elevate your photography and videography to new height. Capture stunning image and video with ease and precision, and bring your creative project to life. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.